Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how to set up your Web3 commerce store for the first time on the Boson app. The first thing you want to do is to navigate to the Seller Hub on the Boson app and select Sales Channels on the left nav. Once you're here on the Web3 Commerce Store card, select Setup. You can begin by giving your store a name that will be shown in the browser tab title. So for example, Boson Merch. Then you can give your store title, which will be on the landing page headline. So I'm going to call this the Boson Protocol Merch Store. You can also add a description to talk about your brand or the creative journey. So I'm going to go ahead, add a little bit of a description there. And then I can choose a banner image as well as a logo. So I'm going to choose this as my banner image and I'm going to size it. And I'm going to proceed choosing a logo as well. I'm going to size that as well. So you get a sneak peek on the right hand side, but you can always switch to preview in full screen mode and that will give you an idea of what it looks like essentially on a full screen. We also have a couple of options for you down below where you can style the store based on your brand assets along with choosing a font. And last but not least, you can choose to display a footer or hide it altogether. If you do choose to show the footer, we have a couple of options here, such as inserting social media links, contact information, etc. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to add a copyright label. I'm going to add a LinkedIn as well as Twitter. I'm going to add an email for my contact info, and for additional footer links I can choose from one of the options over here. So I'm going to have terms of service, you can add either a custom one over here if you don't like any of the options here, or you can choose one from there. So I'm going to add also a privacy policy. It's the URL. I also have the option to choose whether I want to show my own products or all products on the app or a custom set of products. Once you do that, you can go back to preview that in full screen and see how that looks. And then you can hit create. Once you hit create, a custom storefront URL is generated. You can choose to save that URL onto the Seller Hub. So I'm going to give this a name and say save. And that should prompt me to sign a transaction. And below you also have further options such as instructions on how to link to your ENS or integrate it as an iframe onto your website. So that's it for the demo on the custom storefront. Thanks.